Will AI take your job? Voiceover. Will artificial intelligence take your job? That's not the real question. The real question is this. Will AI take your job? Or will someone who knows how to use AI take your job? Because throughout history, technology didn't destroy professions. It destroyed tasks inside professions. And that's exactly what's happening today. Tasks are being broken down. A job is usually made of three things: repetitive execution, decision-making, human interaction, and responsibility. AI is extremely powerful at the first and partially at the second, but the human side, trust, empathy, persuasion, leadership, accountability, that's still the core of the game. On-screen text: jobs don't disappear, tasks do. The real threat are AI-powered competitors. What changes by 2030? Voiceover. According to the World Economic Forum's Future of Jobs 2025 report, the global workforce will undergo massive transformation by 2030. The same report states that while AI and digital access will create jobs, they will also rapidly shrink others. The OECD also shows that automation risk remains high and that AI will strongly affect certain white-collar roles. So the picture is clear. Routine and measurable jobs shrink system builders, risk owners, security providers, and human-facing roles grow. On-screen text: routine equals risk. Responsibility plus human contact equals value. 10 jobs with high decline potential. And why? Note: we are not saying these jobs will fully disappear. Employment volume may drop, or fewer people may do more work. 1. Data entry, voiceover, OCR, automated form processing, and RPA make this one of the fastest automated roles. 2. Cashiers/ticket clerks, voiceover, self-checkout systems and digital ticketing reduce the need for human presence. 3. Administrative assistants/classic secretarial work, voiceover, calendars, email drafts, meeting notes, all highly automatable. 4. Accounting processing/bookkeeping, voiceover, invoicing, reconciliation, document handling, automation compresses headcount. 5. Call center, Tier 1 customer support, voiceover, FAQs, refunds, reservations, conversational AI handles these efficiently. 6. Basic content writing/mass SEO content, voiceover, humans won't disappear, but production-scale content shifts toward quality and strategy. 7. Basic graphic design, template-based, voiceover, banners, posters, social templates. Production is easier, competition is heavier. 8. Junior manual QA/repetitive testing, voiceover, automated and self-healing tests reduce manual testing volume. 9. Standard reporting/routine analyst roles, voiceover, creating dashboards is easy. Value moves to insight and action. 10. Certain print and publishing operator roles, voiceover, digital formats continue replacing physical production. 10 jobs gaining value, and why? 1. AI and machine learning specialist, voiceover, building models matters, applying them to the right problem matters more. 2. Data engineer/big data specialist, voiceover, Models run on data. Data pipelines are the new oil pipelines. 3. Cybersecurity/information security. Voiceover. As AI spreads, the attack surface expands. Security demand explodes. 4. Fintech engineer/payment systems. Voiceover. Financial infrastructure grows more complex and more critical. 5. Cloud/platform/DevOps engineer, especially security-focused. Voiceover. AI needs infrastructure. Infrastructure needs specialists. 6. Product manager for AI products/business-AI translator. Voiceover. People who translate business goals into technical execution become indispensable. 7. Healthcare roles. Nurses, elderly care, physiotherapy. Voiceover. Aging populations and human contact make these roles hard to replace. 8. Psychologists/therapists/coaches. Voiceover. AI can assist, but trust, ethics, and responsibility remain human. 9. Renewable energy engineer/sustainability specialist. Voiceover. Green transition creates long-term, non-automatable demand. 10. Robotics maintenance technician/mechatronics. Voiceover. More robots mean more people who build and maintain them. Software engineering, ending or evolving. Voiceover. Now, let's talk about the most debated topic: software engineering. Yes, with AI, one developer can produce more output. That means fewer people may be needed for the same work. Especially entry-level roles face heavier competition. But this does not mean software is dying. It means easy software work is becoming commoditized. Front-end, more competitive. Automatable, simple landing pages, components, standard UI valuable. Performance, accessibility, UX, aligned with business goals, design systems, complex state management backend, splitting into 2. CRUD backends, standard APIs, and databases leads to higher competition. High-value backend, distributed systems, scalability, observability, payments, authentication, security, embedded software, more resilient, hardware constraints, real-time systems, safety, certification, field failure costs, AI assists, but accountability remains human. QA/testing, transforming. Manual testing shrinks. Test automation and quality engineering grow. 7 skills valuable in every career by 2030. Voiceover. Choosing a career matters, but choosing the right skill set matters more. 7 skills that stay valuable everywhere by 2030. Working with AI tools. Workflow design, not just prompts. Data literacy, measuring and interpreting. Security awareness, problem framing, asking the right question. Communication and persuasion. Domain expertise, health, fintech, logistics, etc. A continuous learning system. Small, daily progress. Closing. Strategy beats fear. Voiceover. Summary. AI will shrink some jobs and grow others. But the real divide is this. Are you doing routine production, or are you building systems and responsibility? Ask yourself, what part of my job can AI not do, but humans truly value? Write your profession in the comments. I'll create an AI-era roadmap specifically for you. Artificial intelligence may reduce the size of your job, but it can massively expand the scale of what you can achieve. If you choose to grow with AI instead of resisting it, you won't just protect your career, you'll multiply your impact. With AI as your support, you can think bigger, build faster, and achieve things that once required entire teams. The future doesn't belong to those who fear AI. It belongs to those who learn how to work with it.